Okay, so now I'm going to show how we use this 7-inch touchscreen to control our matrix switcher. And here I have our 16 by 16 matrix switcher setup, and I have 2 HDMI inputs and 4 HDMI outputs. And this is the OSCC2, which is I'm going to use to control the screen on and off. And here, we have the LAN cable, this yellow one. This yellow LAN cable I connect to a PoE switch here, and from the PoE switch I have another white LAN cable which is connected to my PC, so I can use my PC for the control using the WebGUI for the controlling. And here I have another green LAN cable, blue LAN cable which is connected to this PoE touchscreen. So basically I can use the application for the controlling. So mainly we just make sure and this touchscreen with a static IP address, we just go to the setting, and here we got the network, and then here we have the internet, and then we just use the static IP address. Once we click this one, then it will just pop up a window for us to set up the IP address. So we set up the IP address, then we just click OK button here, then we can just back to the home page. Now we can run the MCS application, and here's our matrix switcher default IP address. Once we end it, we can just click enter. So now it's ready, and we need to log in. Okay, so the username, admin, admin password is same. Submit login. So we already have it logged in. So now we can just do the switching. I'm just going to zoom the camera a little bit so we can see how we do the switches. Okay, so now I'm just going to switch the input 1 to all the outputs. So select the input, then press to all outputs. We also can hear the beep sound is coming out. Okay, so now we already have it switched to the input 1, which is from this PC. Another PC is behind there. So I'm going to switch to that PC to all the displays. Okay, so input 2 to all outputs. And for the controlling from our matrix switcher, and we have a control button here. So we have a power on and off. So I'm going to power off the screens. Power off. Okay, so the screens are now off. Power on the screens. Okay, so the screens are now coming back. And do the switching where I just want to have the input 1 to the output 3 and 4. Okay, so we already have it switched. Okay, so this is how we use a touchscreen to control our matrix switcher. So mainly, just because this touchscreen can support the internet, so we just make sure the IP address of the touchscreen is the same as the matrix switcher or the other device which we want to control. And this is my WebGUI for the matrix switcher control. It's pretty much just the same interface as the application. Okay, switch to all outputs. And input 1, switch to all outputs. Okay. So this is how we use the touchscreen to work with our matrix switcher. It's the same thing if you want to control our device. We just install the other device's application on this Android touchscreen. Then we just set up the IP address. Then we can do the same controlling. Okay. Thank you.